What's up, viewers? Welcome to a new episode. I'm going to talk to you today about naming my channel, and I'd like some input from you, the viewers, and let's get right started into it. I got a few lists of things that I've been working on, and top of the list there's NB Garage. This is the main name that I had initially wanted to use, but there was some other guys on Instagram in Europe somewhere that have a similar name, and I wanted to align my Instagram with my YouTube, even though they don't use that as their username. It's still a possibility, but I just don't want to be mistaken with them too much. They do good work and all, but I just want to have my own individual brand. But NB is also my initials, if you haven't noticed on the channel already, so it's kind of a little near and dear to me. But so I got NB Garage, and then I got NB Fab Shop, and then on to the next variation would be the Rolling Resto names there. And my Rolling Resto is part of my email address, and it's also where Rolling Restorations is in shop name that I had before. So I would add on to that with Rolling Resto Garage, Rolling Resto Fab Shop. Next into the line is the Bulldog variations, where I have Bulldog Garage, Bulldog Fabrication, and Bulldog Fab Shop. Bulldog name just comes from, it's another nickname that I've gotten over the years. I also like the Bully Breed dogs, and I have a few of them currently right now. Next variation is in the Panzer variation. Panzer is German for tank, if you haven't known that already. I was in automotive trade school, and I drove a Volkswagen, and I was a pretty big Volkswagen enthusiast, and I still am a Volkswagen enthusiast, just currently don't own one at the moment. But anyhow, so my friend said because I liked German cars, and I was built like a tank, so they started calling me Panzer, and I kind of liked it, and I actually even had it on my license plate for a while on that car. So we got the Panzer Fabrication, the Panzer Fab Shop, and the Panzer Garage. So any of these are names that I've come up with, that I've thought of, and I'm open to any additional input or suggestions, variations off of my own names that I added there, or something maybe you've seen in my shop that would align with it. Just any other suggestions, please put them in the comments. And if you want to vote, or if you want to add additional comments, suggestions, go ahead and put that down in the comments below. And trying to have another video coming out later this week. I'm going to be talking about building your own shop tools. So stay tuned for that. Please subscribe and comment below. Thank you.